So I'm Derek McGee. I'm the shop foreman here at Porsche Tucson, and we're working on a 1976 914. With the category of individualization, the modern twist that we're kind of putting on things is definitely going to be the challenge in this. We did pull a family of mice out of the front trunk. Otherwise, it's a California car. It's not super rusty. Somebody went in there with a hacksaw on the interior, so that's going to be a fun thing to fix, but we should be all right. We're doing a bunch of modernization, so there's no fiberglass in this car. I have a CAD background, and so we're going to be doing a lot of CAD and 3D printing and stuff like that to really kind of personalize this car. The entire shop's giving ideas and trying to help out as much as they can. We definitely want to make this a team thing more so than just a couple people. It's really cool to be able to represent Porsche Tucson in the Restoration Challenge. It's a reflection of us as a team and kind of as a family. And it's really cool that Porsche kind of allows dealers to do this.